Hi guys, it's me again and it's Easter cookies again. Today's video is the last video with my Royal Icing cookies, and today I'm gonna show you three really beautiful designs that you can make really easily and without any special tools. Let's get started with the tutorial. You want to start by piping the outline first, and then you want to choose the colors that you are going to use to cover the cookie, and you want to cover the whole cookie with this kind of stripes using different colored icing colors. I used all 8 shades that I had prepared. Then once you've covered the whole cookie, you want to check if there's any uneven spots, and then you can use a wooden skewer to fix any of those. Here what you want to do is, after you've corrected a specific color, you want to get that icing off with a paper towel before you go and fix another color, just so that you don't get the colors mixed. And then you want to lift the cookie carefully and shake it to smoothen the icing. For this design, you want to again pipe the outline first and then cover the whole cookie with stripes. Here again, you want to use different colors. You can choose yourself how many colors you want to use. And also again, if there are any uneven spots, then you can use a wooden skewer to fix those uneven spots. And then once your cookie is ready, you want to drag the wooden skewer through the icing from the top down, like I'm showing here, and make sure that the wooden skewer is really almost touching the cookie, so that you get the line to go through all of the icing and not just the top layer, and then you might not have this effect. For the second design, you want to drag the wooden skewer through the icing, first top down and then the opposite way. And that's the way you're going to get this beautiful design. So this was the last tutorial. It was the third tutorial that I'm sharing with you about Royal Icing. It's really simple designs. All of these videos are beginner friendly. If you missed any of the three, I'm gonna link the other ones here for you. And I know there are a lot of different other Royal Icing cookie designs, but I wanted to keep These 3 videos really basic, really simple for those who are just starting, for those who just want to maybe give Royal Icing a go and try it out. And I hope these 3 videos have given you courage and you're gonna try and make these beautiful Royal Icing cookies yourself. If you enjoyed this tutorial and if you found it helpful, don't forget that thumbs up for support. And also, if you're new to my channel, then you can subscribe right now and don't forget to tap the bell so you won't miss any of the new videos. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.